How you doing, guys? We got a Challenger Demon. Basically, we end up installing the shock sensor all added to the factory alarm. If anybody walks up and they bang on the window, it'll set off the alarm. And then we also hooked it up with the module so that the customer can get the notification to the phone. This is probably, we've done thousands of Hellcat, XRTs, Challenger, Charger, but this is the first Demon that I ever get my hands on. Okay, pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the glass. Without the shock, you'll probably pretty much destroy this whole car and nothing will happen. I'm gonna get ready to bang on the window and you're gonna see that the alarm's gonna set off. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Basically, the customers got the alerts in their phones and not around here. The app comes with the GPS tracking as well. This thing tells you a little Demon in the back, pretty nice. And then basically we give them the immobilizer, so this car won't start unless you press this little fob before you start the car. Give you a little tour how it looks inside. I'm gonna go ahead and press this little button here, that way we can get the car started. The puppy. Anybody who's located in Miami, feel free to give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, feel free to give us a call. We do sell the kits online, and you can pick one up and it will come with the installation video and everything. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We have the shock sensor kit, and we also sell the immobilizer. Thank you for watching this video.